Keratosis pilaris, or chicken skin. So we're gonna talk about this because you've been asking about it. We're at 2 steps. You're gonna have a morning step, night step. Night step, right here. 10% urea, 4% alpha hydroxy acid. This costs $7, maybe 10. Then we need zinc pyrethrum in the morning. 2 choices. If they're older and greasier, get like a Vanicream bar and scrub that down. If they're younger or you have dry skin, I like this Daily Control Tea Gel. This one's about $10. Now, for those of you who want to push it a little bit more, super easy. Tea tree oil. We need 10% tea tree oil. So in this case, on this one, I need 12 milliliters. Right there, take that, put it directly into your shampoo. Shake it up. In the morning, scrub them with the zinc, with the tea tree oil. At night, get the urea with the alpha hydroxy acid. It'll do wonders. The chicken skin will be gone.